Welcome to this step-by-step guide on recovering your old Steam account. Whether you've forgotten your password or can't access your email, don't worry. We'll walk you through the recovery process. First, let's talk about some common reasons why you might not be able to access your account: forgetfulness, hacking incidents, or outdated email addresses. Before starting the recovery process, ensure you have all necessary information at hand. This includes your account name, associated email address, and any purchase details. Now, let's navigate to the Steam support page. Open your browser and enter Steam support in the search bar. Click on the official link. Once on the support page, select I can't access my account. Here you will find options to start the recovery process. The next step is verifying your ownership of the account. You may need to answer security questions or verify via your registered email address. If you choose email verification, check your inbox for a message from Steam. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. If email doesn't work, consider using the Steam mobile app or opening a support ticket for further assistance. These options ensure you have backup methods for recovery. Finally, to prevent future account issues, consider using a password manager and enable two-factor authentication for added security. To recap, gather your information, navigate to the support page, verify ownership, and utilize alternative recovery methods. You are now equipped to recover your Steam account.